In 1929, the brilliant astronomer Edwin Hubble made a discovery that completely changed our understanding of the cosmos. He found out that the universe is not sitting still, it is actually expanding. This fact shook the scientific world, but what if I told you that this groundbreaking modern discovery was already written down over 1400 years ago, in the middle of a desert long before telescope even existed? Welcome back to Islamic Foresight, where we explore the incredible connection between ancient wisdom and modern discovery. Today we are looking at one of the most mind-blowing scientific miracles in the Quran, the expanding universe. Stick around because the details will amaze you. For centuries, top scientists including Albert Einstein believed the universe was static. They thought it was just there, not growing and not shrinking. But modern astrophysics proved them wrong. Galaxies are actually flying away from each other at incredible speeds. The fabric of space itself is stretching out. It took the greatest mind and the most advanced technology of the 20th century to finally figure this out. Now let's travel back in time to 7th century. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was reciting verse to his followers in Surah Adh-Dhariyat, chapter 51, verse 47. The Quran says,
وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ.
We built the universe with great might, and we are certainly expanding it. Let's look closely at the last word in Arabic, Musi'un. It comes from the root word awsa, which literally means to expand, widen, or extend. It's not just talking about the universe being large. It describes an active, ongoing action. We are continually expanding it. Think about this for a second. An unlettered man in the Arabian desert with no telescope, no satellite, and no modern physics perfectly described the exact nature of the cosmos. Science only caught up to this reality 13 centuries later. As we rediscover the secrets of the cosmos today, it's amazing to see how the Quran has always been a step ahead, guiding us to look at the stars and reflect. It reminds us that the Quran is not a book of science, but a book of science. If this video sparked your curiosity, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Islamic Foresight, and share this video with a friend. Let us know in the comments what other scientific miracles should we cover next. See you next one. May Allah bless us all.